Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to do a drag race between the Cub Cadet, the John Deere, and the Husqvarna. We're going to see which one is faster from a dead stop all the way to the end. Let's see what happens. So the next race we're going to do, we'll start here and work our way up all the way to the end of the driveway where the gravel is. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that was fun. The Cub Cadet is a clear winner in both of these races, so we're going to try one more. So we're going to start here at this driveway, and we're going to end at that driveway over there. This is going to be the longer race, I think. This is going to be one of the longest ones. Camcorder guy, you're on it, right?
Yep.
Alright, go ahead. One, two, three. That was a pretty close start. That was close! Whoa!
Close enough!
Alright, so the race is very, very close with the Cub Cadet and John Deere, and we decided to do a special bonus. So we're going to start over there, and the Husqvarna will be our finish line. A cameraman will stand right here. I think I'll probably know who it'll be, but you never know. Started full throttle with guns. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope you found it interesting. Sure was a lot of fun to make, especially with all the crew here, which is not often. So I'm glad I could make this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you want to see more videos on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I will see you guys in the next one.